how are you doing? Today let's take a look at Leetcode programming problem number 971, which is flip binary tree to match pre-order traversal. So this is a medium category Leetcode problem, and essentially the problem is that a binary tree is provided as an input, and along with that an array of integers is also provided as an input. So the requirement is that the pre-order traversal of this binary tree should match with that of the voyage array which has been provided, which is a array of integers. So an operation which is permitted in this tree is that of flipping the left and right child of the parent node. For example, as you see in over here, like the node 1 over here, so it has the left child as 2 and right child as 3, but these are flipped, and now the left child has become 3 and right child has become 2. So this flipping operation is permitted, and we are allowed to flip in order to match the pre-order traversal of this binary tree with that of the input voyage array which has been provided. So how could we go about solving this? So an easy approach of doing this is considering this just as a plain pre-order traversal of a binary tree. Of course, we have some modifications because of this requirement of flipping and matching it to a provided input array of integers. So essentially what we can do is that we start with a pre-order traversal of this tree. So we start with 1 and also simultaneously keep on comparing with the input array. So we start with 1. Let's say we are over here. So, and we also check what is the first item in the array. So it is 1. So we are all good over here. Then, as in pre-order traversal, as you would know, pre-order traversal is root, then left, and then the right child. So in this order we would move from root to the left child. This is 2. So now this is 2, but this input array requires a 3. So since this is not same, we'll see that does it match the right child. So the right child over here is 3, so it does match the right child. So we have an option of flipping. So what we do is we would flip this right child with the left child of the tree, and the tree would become something like this. So over here the 3 has now become the left child and 2 has become the right child. So now 3 is fine because now from 1 we come to 3 and the 3 is already there. So we continue forward, and also we maintain a result list in which we add 1. We add 1 because it is a root whose children we flipped in order to match this input array. So now when we are at 3, we continue with the pre-order traversal. So root, which is 3 itself, and then the left child, which is 4. So the voyage array also has 4, so all fine over here. Then we move back and go to the right child, which is 5. So this is also 5, which is all fine till now. So then we move back and then move back and then go to the right child, which is 2, which is over here as well. So this matches the input array which is provided, and the pre-order traversal of the tree is complete. And in our result list we just have one item, which signifies that in order to match it we had to flip the nodes of the root 1 which is present in the result list. So following this approach we can continue with the flip operations in the tree in order to match the input array. And in case it so happens that it is not possible to translate the input tree binary to the required voyage input array, in that case we would return as -1. So that would typically happen in a scenario wherein when you are doing the pre-order traversal of the tree, you return before the whole of the voyage array is traversed. So if you hit a dead end before this array has completely been traversed, that means that the answer isn't possible through flipping, and we return just -1 as the result. So if you want to check out the programmatic solution for this approach, please check the link provided in the description. Thank you.